South Africans, let me put this nicely. My fellow South Africans, I am here to humbly want to make sure Uguti, I never be on the wrong side of you all. Because what you guys did to Umnyumtwana is evident that South African fans will show you who they are. I remember one day I did a video, not long time ago, after the Sweet Guluva thing, and I said, with or without you, I will make it. I will sell. Sompire will sell. My concert will be full. I still meant it because I was talking to haters. But to my fans, let me tell you, anything you want. When I see you in the street, you ask for a picture. Tell me what you want me to do. Tell me. Tell me what you want me to do. I will worship the ground that you walk on. Tell me what you want me to do. If you want a picture, and then after a picture, you want to give me your bills, the bond, the rent, the car installment. Nkona, my fans, naka makhadi nine mali oyifunayo oyithola, naka makhadi ami, ngizoswiper for as long as I'm on the right side of you guys. Ngizoswiper. If ufuna choreographer umshado wakini, choreographer anything you want as long as I'm on the right side. Noma ngithi ngiyadla usithombe ngithi anything for you. Unga-offenda yonke into or wonke umuntu unga-offende ama-fans akho. They are called fans for a reason. Abantu omele ngabe nesikhathi sabo ama-haters or ama-bullies. Ama-fans, no. So, deal. Whatever you want, I'll give to you. Picture plus paying your school fees. Picture plus buying you a car. Because if you nale picture, le makati yayiluma uyithathe or uthi wo singile qala. Do you know what everything is like everything is from head to toe. Me and my friends if ngisema robotini ngama ngemoto yami ukokote windweni uthi hlala ngale yimi fan yakho hayi woza kanjani danko.